Welcome everyone, this is Sanjeev Arora, Principal Consultant at Quasar Apps, presenting you our Board Activity Manager application built on CourseWorks for SharePoint. This application is an information portal designed to provide board members, directors, and executive secretaries with all the information related to a meeting, agendas, and minutes. In this demo, I will only be covering the administrative module of this application, like updating a meeting, attaching agendas and minutes, and managing contributions. So let's get started by clicking on the Administrator tab. You will notice as an administrator, we are able to update meetings, attach or manage active agendas or minutes, or search closed meetings, agendas, and minutes. So we'll get started by going to Update Active Meetings. From this view, an administrator can get a glance of all the active meetings and see the up-to-date information on them. For example, on this first meeting, we're able to see that both attendees have confirmed their attendance by submitting an action. As an administrator, I can come in and use the action and update the meeting time. If there was new proposed times from the attendees, I can easily update that using this action, or I can also set up a new meeting by clicking on Set Up a Meeting. The important function in this view is an ability to add or upload agendas and minutes. As soon as we attach an agenda or minute to a meeting, these icons will appear next to a meeting in the attendees view. We can jump to the attendees view here, and you will see on the meetings they have the icons appearing in front of the meeting. So let's go back and try and upload a meeting agenda. We'll click on the Upload Agenda and Update Meeting View action. You will notice that I have filled in the agenda information, some metadata, and also attached an agenda document. These could be a template, a Microsoft Office template, just like an agenda template I took from Office 2007, or a minutes template that looks something like this. So let's go ahead and attach this agenda to the meeting. We'll get a confirmation that the meeting has been updated. We can close, and now we can jump on how attendees can see these agendas and minutes. So as an attendee, I would come into Agendas and Minutes and click on View Active Agendas and Minutes. Here I'm able to look at all the active meetings which has either an agenda or minute attached to it. So here we'll look at the example that we were working before, Training Material Standards meeting. I have both an agenda and a minute available. As a user, I can just click or view item, which will show me the details of the agenda, or I can just click on open item, which will open the meeting agenda like that. We also have other information here, like some meetings only have an agenda, others may just have a meeting minute, as you can see, and it's color coordinated so we can easily recognize the data. We can also search by meeting ID or numbers. If I search for 0009, I'm able to narrow it down to that meeting. We will now cover our Update Active Agendas and Minutes section under the Administrative tab. This is where an administrator can come in and update an existing agenda. So as an administrator, I'm able to click on the View item and use all the document library functionality of SharePoint and check out the agenda and start working on the new version. While the document is checked out, the users are still able to see the current version and able to collaborate on it. So once all the agendas and minutes are approved and finalized, an administrator can go into Close Meeting Agendas and Minutes view. This is a very helpful view because an administrator can come in any meeting and update all the elements and close them in one go. So here I'm selecting all the elements like meetings, minutes, and agendas, and I'm able to use the action and close all items. This is the same thing we can do as an administrator in the contributions. So under agendas and minutes, I can also come in and close all the contribution on a particular meeting by selecting a particular meeting group and choose actions and close contributions. It helps the administrator organize all the information as an active meeting or a closed meeting. I hope you found this demo helpful. We will be going into detail later. Thank you.